everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, I'm going to show you how I've created a WhatsApp chatbot which can automate my stock market business WhatsApp conversation. You see, I receive a lot of messages on my WhatsApp and replying to the repetitive queries or the queries related to the stock market instantly is very time consuming, and that's why I've created this WhatsApp chatbot. We are going to test this once whether it is working fine or not. For that, I'm going to send a message to my own business and I'm going to send a message related to my business only. What stocks are good for beginners? I have sent this message. Let's wait for the reply. It says, good question for beginners. It's best to keep things simple, diversified and focused on low risk long term. Here are the practical KB aligned recommendation. What to prefer? Large cap blue chip stock, index fund, mutual fund, dividend paying financially strong companies. It has listed the rest of the details and you can see we have received a very detailed message. I'm going to ask another question. Do you provide daily stock recommendations? I have sent this message. Let's wait for the reply. So it has sent this message. Yes, market Pulse Capital offers daily stock recommendation as per of its advisory services. What's included? It has provided me a detailed reply, how to get them, support and contact. Important note, I'm going to ask a final question. Suggest a diversified portfolio for 50,000 rupees investment. I've sent this message. Let's wait for the reply. So here it is. I have received this message. Great. I can suggest a few simple diversified ways to allocate 50,000 investment. Quick question before finalizing. It is asking me some questions and then it has provided me the rest of the details. You see, it is giving me a detailed reply based on whatever questions I'm asking. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot AI agent for your business and automate the WhatsApp conversation like this in a very detailed format, then let's start creating this AI agent WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow from the beginning. So here in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a WhatsApp AI agent for your stock market business. And for this, I'm going to create this AI agent using Pabbly Chatflow. Now, first step is to visit Pabbly Chatflow. To visit Pabbly Chatflow, you have to write www.pabbly.com/chatflow in the browser. And after browsing the website, you need to sign in to your Pabbly Chatflow account. On the top right corner, you can see two options, sign in and sign up for free. If you are an existing user, click on this sign in. And if you are a new user, click on this sign up for free, and this will give you 100 credits free on monthly basis. You can use these 100 credits and check whether it fits your business or not, and when you feel ready to upgrade, you can use this code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Once you pay for this lifetime deal, you get access to all the features, that too forever. Here, as I'm an existing user, I'll click on the sign in, and here all Pabbly apps page has appeared, which is showing me all the Pabbly applications. I'll click on this Pabbly Chatflow Access now, and I will be landed towards the app dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow. Now here I will be able to find the credit allotted, credit consumed, credit remaining and the WhatsApp number added. To add your WhatsApp number to your Pabbly Chatflow account, simply click on this add WhatsApp number, click on this WhatsApp connect, which is a preferred method, or you can also use a manual token to connect your WhatsApp to your Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to get the step-by-step process, the detailed video is given in the description. You can check that out. Also on the left-hand side, we have very most important features of Pabbly Chatflow. The detailed video is given in the description. You can check that out. Now on the left-hand side, we have this option of AI assistant, and to create this AI agent WhatsApp chatbot, we have to create this. Let's open this. Here I've landed towards this AI assistant page. You can see the total AI assistant, active AI assistant and the inactive AI assistant. To create a new AI assistant, you simply have to click on this add AI assistant, and let's first name this as Market Pulse Capital and then simply click on this add AI assistant. Here I've landed towards this page, and over here we have this AI instructions. I'm going to select the instruction type as AI agent. These instructions are automatically added. You can enhance the instructions according to the requirement. Then we have this AI configuration. Here I'm going to set the temperature as 0.7 because in the help desk it is written, set how the creative AI answers are. 0 means more focused, 1 means more creative. If I go from 0 to 1, the creativity of how this AI is answering will enhance. Then we have this AI to use as OpenAI. The model will be GPT-5 mini. You can set this according to the requirement. Then we have this API key. In the help desk, a hyperlink is provided, and if I click on this, I will be redirected towards the API keys page of OpenAI. To create a new token, you simply have to click on this create new secret key. First, you have to provide the key name. So let's say the key is testing. The project will be default project. The permissions will be all, and then you simply have to click on this create secret key. A new API token will be provided to you, which you have to copy and paste that over here. Here I've already entered the key. I'm on the paid version of OpenAI, it is necessary that you also have the same. I'm going to click on this connect and you will see OpenAI key saved successfully. Now I have this AI assistant settings. If you want to provide the header message and the footer message, you have to toggle on these buttons, enter the message and it will start displaying. Then we have the stop keyword. Now when the user do not want to get the reply from the AI agent, or when the matter has to be escalated to human support, the users can send this word. Simply enter the word and press this button enter. In this manner you have added the stop keyword. Then we have this retry attempt. So number of attempt which is given to AI agent to resolve the query. When it fails to resolve, it is called this retry attempt. The valid range is 1 to 10. Then we have this fallback message. Now when the API is not responding, the AI agent will not be able to respond to the questions or the queries. In that case, this particular message will be sent, which is called this fallback message. And you can add your contact details or the company information so that whenever the queries are not resolved, at least this fallback message will be sent. Moving on towards the next portion, here we have this the knowledge source. So I'm going to select as upload file, click on this cloud, and then I'm going to select the file which I have already downloaded. For that, I'm going to click on this add new file, go towards this cloud, and here I have already downloaded the file. So this is the file which I have downloaded. I'm going to click on this open and then I'm going to upload this. In this manner, I have uploaded this file. Now I'm going to select this file and then click on this insert. In this manner, I have inserted the file. Now if I open the file which I have uploaded, so this is the file which I have created by the name knowledge base smart AI WhatsApp chatbot for stock market business. Then I have entered the company name. My company name is Market Pulse Capital. Then I have added the rest of the details of my company about the AI WhatsApp chatbot business service, what services it provide, and then we have the advisory service, swing trading, long-term options, subscription plan, elite investor plan, pro trader plan, customer support information, demat account assistance, IPO assistant, mutual fund guidance, portfolio review services. So here I have added all my services with all the details, and whenever someone will drop a query on my WhatsApp, my AI agent is going to resolve the query using the same details. So you have to create a very detailed knowledge base providing the details of the business, service and product, so that whenever your AI agent or whenever someone sends you a WhatsApp message, your AI agent sends them a very accurate and a detailed reply. So you have to upload that over here. After you have created this, you have to download this in .txt or .pdf format. And if I go back over here, you can see that the limit is up to 10 pages if the PDF has images. So you have to keep it in mind. Moving on towards the next part, which is this assistant interface. So as you change the heading name, you can see over here, this is how it is going to appear in front of the customers like this. If you want to keep the subheading, you can keep it. If you want to remove, you can remove it. So you can add two initial messages, and using these two initial messages, your AI agent is going to reply. And then we have this display by powered by Pabbly. I have kept it enabled. You can also disable this and it will be removed from here. I'm going to keep it enabled only. We have this footer text where I have this text, and then we have the footer link where I have added the link to privacy policy. Then we have this user first message where I have entered I need help, but it is not necessary that whenever I receive this message I need help, only then my AI agent is going to reply. It is going to reply based on any message. Moving on towards the final part, which is this styling. The theme mode is light. I'm going to keep it as dark. It will change to dark like this. Then we have this assistant shape. If you change it to square, you can see it changing over here. If you select rounded square, you can see it changing over here. I'm going to keep it as circle only. Then we have the text color, button color, chat bubble, text color, button color. You can set this according to the choice and preference. Then we have this header profile picture, assistant profile picture, and the background picture. You can upload the pictures according to the requirement. And after doing all this, you simply have to toggle on this button and then click on the save AI assistant, and in this manner the AI assistant will be saved successfully. You can also embed this AI assistant to your website using this code, and whenever someone will click on that, they will be redirected towards the WhatsApp conversation. Moving on towards the next part. Now we have to learn how we can enable this AI assistant to a particular chat, to a particular group, or to all the contacts. For that, I'm going to open my chat. I'm going to open this inbox on the left hand side in the new tab. Here I've landed towards my chat. I'm going to toggle on this choose AI assistant, select the AI assistant, and simply save this. In this manner, I've assigned this AI assistant to this particular chat. But doing this manually and to particular chat is very time consuming, and that's why what we can do, we can assign this to a particular group of contacts or to all the contacts. For that, on the left hand side, we have the settings. I'm going to open the inbox settings in a new tab. Here I've landed towards the inbox settings. If I scroll down, I will get this option of AI auto reply settings. I have kept this enable AI auto replies on. If I select the list and select another AI assistant to this particular list, the particular AI assistant will be assigned to this particular list. If I add more rules, select all the contacts, select another AI assistant to all the contacts. In this manner, all the contacts will be assigned with this AI assistant, and then I simply have to save all the rules. So here, this is how I have assigned the AI assistant to a particular group, to a particular contact, or to all the contacts. We have learned how we can change the interface of the AI assistant, how we can guide the AI assistant to reply in a particular manner, how we can create a detailed knowledge base to train or guide our AI agent in a particular manner. This is how we have created this AI assistant, and now if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can stay tuned to our channel for learning more such interesting WhatsApp chatbots, and before you go, if you plan to upgrade, do not forget to use the code SHUYT to get maximum benefits on your Pabbly yearly and lifetime deal. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to know the pricing plans which Pabbly provide, you can check out the link given over here. If you have any queries, you can mail us at sales@pabbly.com, and if you have any doubts, you can comment down this video below and we will try to resolve it as soon as possible. You can subscribe to our channel, and thank you so much for watching.